Fetch.Ai is right now breaking out of this daily bearish structure, but will we now see the real bullish explosion? What are the next bullish price targets and at what potential zones we can buy more Fetch for the bull run? In this video, I will talk about Fetch.Ai and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share the daily updates about Fetch, Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So as you can see, Fetch perfectly retested this last demand zone and is right now breaking out of this daily bullish structure. Because as you can see from this last high, we saw this downwards move, we saw this break of structure right here. And right now we are breaking this one to the upside. So the chance that we are in a daily bullish structure again is very high. And in my last videos about Fetch, I already told you that I will buy some coins as we tapped into this demand zone right here and that the chances are that we can see this price increase. And as you can see, we perfectly retested this last zone and then saw this real bullish explosion. From this last low to the price right now, we have a potential over 122%. So congrats to everybody who took a trade from Fetch from my last videos. And if we're looking at Fetch on the weekly time frame, we can see that after we tested this last demand zone, we also retested the 78.6 Fibonacci level from this last whole swing. And exactly here I said that the chances high that we can see higher prices from the zone. And I bought massive potentials of Fetch right here. And we already reclaimed this last bullish high right here from 2022, as you can see. And we are right now also breaking this last daily high, as I said. So if we are right now seeing a daily close over this last high, this is for me the bullish confirmation that we are finally in a bullish structure on Fetch again and that the chances is high that we will see the real bullish explosion in the near future. And the next price target is of course this last supply zone, because in this supply zone we had this consolidation, we retested this zone multiple times and we had this last high right here which led to this lower lows. So I think the chances are high that we come into the zone and that we are seeing a bearish reaction, as I said, because we have this multiple resistance right here. But if we can also break through this zone and retest it, this would be an amazing bullish sign, and then the chances are high that we are seeing even higher prices and reaching the next potential price target of $2.70. But as I said, I think the chances are high that we will see a bearish reaction. And what are the next potential interesting zones if we are seeing, or if we are using the Fibonacci tool from this last low to this high? Of course, if we are coming into this zone, then we have to drag and drop it right here. But right now we are at this time. And then the very next interesting zones to buy Fetch or to get into a new long position would be this demand zone right here, because we have this demand zone and the 38.2 Fibonacci level. Or if we're going down and see a bullish reaction right here, then of course at this last demand zone, which led to this newer high right here, we also have the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Of course, if we're seeing even lower prices, then I would look at this consolidation area to get into a new long position. But I think the chances are high that we either come into the zone and see a bullish reaction, or if we are breaking through, that we then see a bullish reaction in this zone. And here you can open new long positions or buy some spot for your portfolio. And as I also said in my last video, I will show you now the next potential interesting areas for this bull run. We have two very interesting price targets, one at $5.20 and $8 right here. And I think Fetch will be one of the biggest AI coins in the whole crypto niche. We right now also have a market cap of over $4 billion, which is really massive. But we have an amazing potential, because if we are reaching this potential zone, then we would have a market cap of around $15 to $20 billion. And I think this is very realistic for the biggest coins in the AI niche. And as I said, we already bought some coins right here at approximately 80 cents. And if we are coming into the zone and if I can sell my coins right here, I would made 10x on Fetch, and I would be really happy to take some profits right here. Of course, the chance is also high that we are coming into this zone, but I think $8 are very realistic. Of course, we can see even higher prices, but I'm the kind of guy that make more realistic price targets. If we are then seeing even higher prices, I'm not complaining, but I think this kind of price target is very realistic. And if you want to trade Fetch, you can use Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with my link, you get up to 20% bonus on top. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.